Hey friends, let's talk toys. Most of the ones you see, button-operated, powder type, they're fun for a while, but kids get bored quickly. Today, I'm showing you next-level smart toys you can only find online. These aren't your usual toys. They're so cool that even teens and Gen Z will be amazed. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out. Now, let's dive into these incredible toys.
The Arrma Kraton 8S BLX is not your average RC car. It's a monster built for off-road adventures, designed to dominate uneven surfaces with ease. Its sheer size makes it stand out immediately, towering over most RC cars you've seen before. Wide tires grip the ground tightly, giving it incredible stability even when tackling rough terrain. Imagine watching it race down a steep slope, launching into the air and landing perfectly upright, ready to keep going. That's the kind of durability this machine offers. It's fast enough that people joke it could chase a real car, and when you see it in action, you realize that's not far from the truth. The balance is so precise that even after big jumps or falls, it lands smoothly, almost like it's programmed to defy gravity. This isn't just a gadget, it's a thrill machine, the kind of RC car you'd expect to see in a movie chase scene, except it's real and right in front of you. The KOBOTIX wheel racer feels like stepping straight into a video game. Instead of just watching an RC car zip around, you actually see the race from inside the car itself. The trick is simple but brilliant. You attach your smartphone to a VR headset, and suddenly the view shifts to a first-person perspective. Every sharp turn, every bump in the track, every suspension movement feels like you're the driver. The cars themselves are powerful, with handling so sharp it almost feels like you're on a professional track. Whether you set up an indoor course or race across open ground, the immersion is unreal. It's not just about speed, it's about the experience of being inside the race, reacting in real time, and feeling the thrill of control. For anyone who grew up loving racing games, this gadget makes that dream come alive in the real world. The Traxxas Mercedes-Benz G is a masterpiece of detail. This RC car isn't just about performance, it's about replicating the beauty of the real Mercedes model. From the side mirrors to the headlights and taillights, every detail is crafted with precision. The shiny blue finish makes it look stunning, and when it moves, it does so with elegance. The power is balanced, not too wild, not too weak, making it perfect for smooth rides over obstacles. Watching it glide across terrain feels like watching a real Mercedes in miniature form. Honestly, if you filmed it from the right angle, people might think they're looking at an actual car cruising down the street. It's a gadget that blends style with functionality, appealing to collectors, enthusiasts, and anyone who appreciates the artistry of design. The Anki Cozmo is small but incredibly smart. Cozmo isn't just a robot, it's a personality in a tiny package. Each Cozmo has its own unique traits, so no two robots behave the same way. Place them together and they'll interact differently, almost like kids with their own quirks. Cozmo learns from its surroundings, recognizing people, pets, and even objects. Leave it alone and it'll explore on its own, showing curiosity like a living creature. Its little digital eyes on the screen express emotions, happiness, confusion, even anger. You can also dive into coding to control its functions, making it both fun and educational. It's the kind of gadget that feels alive, a desk companion that entertains and surprises you every day. Watching Cozmo react to the world around it makes you realize how far robotics has come, turning what used to be science fiction into something you can hold in your hand.
The DJI Robomaster S1 looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Controlled by your smartphone, it streams live footage through its built-in camera, so you're always in the driver's seat. What makes it stand out is its ability to move in any direction without turning its body. Imagine dodging obstacles with smooth, sideways slides. It's advanced navigation at its finest. But that's just the start. It has hit detection systems, motion controllers, and even coding options, so you can make it smarter over time. And here's the fun part. It comes with an infrared blaster, turning battles into real-life video game experiences. You can unlock virtual weapons, see virtual cars on your phone, and play battle games with friends. It's both educational and entertaining, making it a perfect gift for anyone who loves tech and coding. The Robomaster S1 isn't just a gadget, it's a platform for learning, playing, and pushing the boundaries of what robotic cars can do. The ArmoGear laser battle set transforms ordinary spaces into arenas for epic laser tag matches. Each player gets a gun and a vest, and the system includes vibrations and sound effects for realism. You can form up to 4 teams, reload your weapons, and enjoy pinpoint accuracy with every shot. The sounds of virtual bullets and the thrill of dodging fire make it feel like you're inside a video game, but you're moving, running, and strategizing in real life. It's the kind of gadget that brings friends and family together for hours of fun, combining gaming excitement with physical play. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, the experience is intense and immersive. The realism of the sounds, the accuracy of the shots, and the thrill of team battles make it one of the most engaging gadgets for group play. It's not just about shooting, it's about teamwork, tactics, and adrenaline. You're not just playing, you're competing, coordinating, and reacting in real time. BoomTrix is all about creativity and problem solving. The kit comes with trampolines, structures, and small metal balls. Your challenge is to set up tracks so the balls bounce, jump, and eventually hit the target. It's all about angles, positioning, and imagination. You can design endless new tracks, each one more challenging than the last. Watching the balls bounce perfectly across trampolines to reach the goal is satisfying, and setting it up sharpens your thinking. It's fun, but it also feels like a puzzle, making it perfect for anyone who loves combining play with creativity. The excitement comes from being able to design as many new tracks as you want, each one offering a fresh challenge. It's a gadget that rewards patience, creativity, and problem solving, turning playtime into a mental workout. Whether you're a kid or an adult, BoomTrix makes you feel like an inventor, building your own mini obstacle course with every setup. And what makes BoomTrix even more exciting is how it encourages experimentation. You're not just following instructions, you're inventing your own challenges. You might set up a trampoline at a steep angle, hoping the ball will bounce just right, only to realize you need to tweak the layout. That trial and error process is part of the fun. It's satisfying when a ball finally hits the target after several adjustments, and even more rewarding when you design a track that works perfectly on the first try. It's a gadget that turns play into a creative lab, where every bounce is a lesson in physics and every success feels earned.
Now it's your turn. Make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, hit the notification bell so you're the first to get the latest and newest gadgets. So guys, as always, stay tuned and be patient. We'll see you in the next video with some exciting new gadgets.